What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to free up space on your iPhone. First of all, delete some apps which you don't need, if you haven't done it yet. This can be one of the easiest and fastest ways to clear up some space. Next, open up your settings, go to General and here tap on iPhone storage. After a few seconds, you will see a list of apps arranged by the space they take up. Here you can clean up everything using your storage, including your emails and messages. Delete games which you rarely play, you can always re-download them in the App Store. iOS will encourage you to offload unused apps. This is kind of an emergency step that automatically offloads apps that are rarely used when you start to run out of storage. Offloading is a compromise that deletes the app itself, which is easily replaceable by re-downloading it after all, but keeps the documents and data, which is likely to be irreplaceable. If you don't want to delete all of your messages and you want to keep the recent ones, then go back to your settings and select Messages. Here, on the Messages tab, tap on Keep Messages, where you can choose to automatically delete messages which are older than 1 year or 30 days. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.